Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Camp Nou. Today we're back inside the stadium to enjoy views from the very top in different areas of the ground. This video focuses on the progress of the third tier, which continues to grow. More than 60% of the third tier is already installed across the lateral stand, the north goal, the south goal, and the main stand. Today's video is shorter, but worth it because of the unique views. As mentioned yesterday, it's been raining in Barcelona. Even so, progress can still be followed from inside. The north goal shows the most progress. The main stand continues advancing, while the south goal is paused halfway. Yesterday's key highlight was seating installation in the corner area where the north goal meets the lateral stand. Below this corner, wide double access openings are clearly visible, similar to other goal areas. One of the most impressive sections is the two-level VIP ring. Glass panels are being installed on the lower level, with glazing still required on the upper level. We move toward the south goal, where rainwater has formed the so-called jacuzzi. Interior work continues with glass panels and structural profiles. Up close, the third tier offers striking views. Fans will enjoy incredible city views, even with greater distance from the pitch. Ahead, two pillars and the large structural beam, known as the big beam, are visible. This beam, also called the arm, supports the compression ring. It weighs around 23 tons and is the first installed, with more to come. Views from the north goal and main stand are spectacular. The pitch below is already prepared for Sunday's match. One of today's biggest surprises is the main stand escalators already working. They include LED lighting. While not ready for this Sunday, it's a very positive sign. That's it for today. Tomorrow we'll return with a longer, more detailed video from higher areas, as many updates are coming. Subscribe, activate the bell, and if you enjoyed this, leave a like. See you in the next video.